Introducing the Volkswagen Taigo, a fresh addition to the brand's growing lineup of vehicles in 2023. This compact crossover combines style and sportiness, offering the practicality of an SUV with the dynamic driving experience of a hatchback. Its unique design and advanced technology features set it apart from competitors in the automotive market. One of the Taigo's key design aspects is its coupe-inspired silhouette, characterized by a sloping roofline, sculpted lines, and a distinctive front grille. This design language not only creates an eye-catching aesthetic but also enhances aerodynamics, resulting in better fuel efficiency and performance. Furthermore, the LED headlights and taillights provide a modern and sophisticated appearance. Under the hood, the Taigo is equipped with a range of efficient and powerful engines, including a 1.0-liter TSI and a 1.5-liter TSI. These turbocharged engines deliver impressive performance while achieving commendable fuel efficiency. Depending on the market, buyers can choose from a manual or a dual-clutch automatic transmission, catering to various driving preferences. Inside the Taigo, both comfort and functionality take center stage. High-quality materials and a clean, intuitive layout create a premium atmosphere, while the spacious cabin ensures ample room for passengers and cargo alike. The vehicle also features a fully digital cockpit, complete with a customizable instrument cluster and an advanced infotainment system that seamlessly integrates with smartphone apps and offers a range of connectivity options. Another notable aspect of the Taigo is its focus on sustainability. The vehicle's efficient powertrains and lightweight construction help to reduce emissions, while its use of recycled materials in certain components demonstrates Volkswagen's commitment to environmental responsibility. Additionally, it is designed to support future electrification, with plans for a hybrid or fully electric variant in the pipeline. The Taigo is highly customizable, offering a range of trim levels and options to suit various budgets and preferences. From the base model to the top-tier R-Line trim, buyers can choose from an array of features and amenities such as sporty exterior accents, upgraded infotainment systems, and advanced safety features. This level of personalization ensures that the vehicle caters to the diverse needs of different drivers. The Volkswagen Taigo is a compelling option for consumers seeking a stylish, practical, and technologically advanced compact crossover. Its striking design, comfortable interior, impressive performance, and cutting-edge safety features make it a strong contender in its segment. Furthermore, its focus on sustainability and potential for future electrification make it an attractive choice for environmentally conscious buyers. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more car reviews and updates. See you in the next video.